Tired of always skiing and surfing on the same slopes? Then listen up. Val di Sole has got just what you need. With a single ski pass, and thanks to the efficient and free ski bus service that connects the valley's towns with the major ski resorts, a new ski resort every day as you have fun trying different slopes. Each time you'll be surrounded by a different landscape, but we can bet on the fact that you'll always be amazed. With 26 ski lifts, 32 slopes, some of which are lit for night skiing, for a total of 62 kilometers, Folgarida and Marileva are a true paradise for all those that love sports on the snow. The connection with Madonna di Campiglio and Pinzolo, without ever having to take your skis off, creates a vast single ski area, 150 kilometers of slopes in the heart of the magnificent and one-of-a-kind mountain range, the Brenta Dolomites. A wide range of accommodation facilities are available, including hotels, residences or apartments that are located directly on the slopes or in one of the quaint towns of the valley. If you just can't get enough of skiing, then you definitely need to stop in Passo Tonale. Located between the Trentino and Lombardy region, it is possible to ski well into late autumn and spring, thanks to the lifts on the Presena Glacier at a height of 3,000 meters. Among its 30 modern ski lifts and 100 kilometers of slopes, you'll also find the Paradiso Black Slope, one of the most beautiful and exciting descents of the entire Alpine Arch. But that's not all. Passo Tonale also has a snow park and a ski cross track that is more than 1,000 meters long. So just take a deep breath and then fly down through jumps, bumps and thrilling parabolic curves. And what makes Passo Tonale even more exciting is its intense nightlife. There are numerous characteristic bars, cafes and restaurants for your après-ski, and in the evening you can end your day on the snow with music and fun in a disco pub. The oldest ski resort in Val di Sole is, however, Peio, which is also the highest municipality in all of Trentino region. Well known for its thermal springs, it is definitely the perfect holiday destination for families and for those that enjoy a peaceful and quiet setting. Located in the heart of the Stelvio National Park, surrounded by the peaks of the Ortles Cevadale mountain range, Peio has long ski runs that descend towards the town along the slopes of Monte Viozz in a truly enchanting and one-of-a-kind setting. A definite must to try is the new Peio 3000 gondola lift, a fast and state-of-the-art lift that gives skiers the chance to dive down the adrenaline-filled Val della Mite slope. Ski down this 8-kilometer slope from a height of 3,000 meters. Located in the furthest western part of the Trentino region, Val di Sole and its many quaint towns and villages is waiting just for you for an unforgettable holiday. And if there's anyone who doesn't ski, don't worry. There are indoor tennis courts, ice skating rinks, where you can also try hockey and broomball, swimming pools and gyms. You can also go horseback riding, dog sledding, or plunge into the striking winter landscape as you walk along with snowshoes, thanks to the suggestive outings organized by the Stelvio National Park and the Ardamelo Brenta National Park during the day, and in the evening underneath the moonlight.